Today we will talk about some interesting tools of word processor. Children, in the previous class, you were familiarized with one of the popular word processors, MS Word. You learned that a word processor helps in storing, formatting, or manipulating the text document such as a letter, a report, etc. It provides different tools for selecting, copying, moving, deleting, and printing the text. After discussing the basic features of a word processor, let us enhance our knowledge about its other features in this chapter. Besides this, we will also focus on the shortcut keys associated with different functions and tools of word processor. Students note that a shortcut key is a particular key or key combination that helps in quick execution of a specific function within a program. First, let's take a quick review of word processor. Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. It was introduced by Microsoft Corporation, one of the world's largest companies in software development. Microsoft Word has the power and flexibility to produce letters, reports, notices, newsletters, books, bills, etc. quickly and in a presentable manner. Modify the text both while typing and after typing. Beautify the text using color, style, font size, border, shading, and various other effects. Insert graphics and make use of various drawing tools to draw pictures. Copy and move the text from one location to another. Preview the text before printing it. Take multiple printouts. Okay, let me tell you the steps of starting Microsoft Word. Click on Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Click on MS Office Word 2010. The Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name Document 1. File tab, Quick Access Toolbar, Title bar, Minimize button, Maximize button, Document area, Close button, Ribbon, Status bar. The small blinking vertical line that you notice on the screen is known as the insertion point or cursor. It indicates the position where the next typed character will appear. As you start typing, the cursor automatically shifts to the right. We can enter text on the same screen or create a new document. Let us learn how to enter the text. In Microsoft Word, while typing, you will observe that Word wraps the text automatically. Wrapping the text means that if the text does not fit in the current line, then Word shifts it to the next line by default. Type the following text and observe the wrap effect. Students, note that knowledge is information. It is a potential power, but it becomes power only when it is acted upon. Learning is like eating food. It is not how much you eat that matters. What counts is how much you digest.